I'm going to be showing you my updated wash routine, but stay tuned because I have an announcement to share with you after you watch the wash routine at the end. Let's jump into my lock wash routine. In today's wash routine, I'm paying attention to the nape of my neck and my edges. Those are the areas that I tend to see more product build up. Then I'm using a spray bottle just to go ahead and spray my scalp and the roots of my hair. This will give me an easier time to add the shampoo into my hair before I wash it off in the shower. So I'm going to use this clarifying shampoo on my scalp to begin with. The reason why I do this is it gives me an opportunity to focus on my scalp and to really work that product in and get any residue, any buildup out of my hair. I find that this way I'm able to have a cleaner scalp than before when I would just do my whole routine in the shower. Usually I would either rush the process or I would miss some spots. So I noticed that when I'd come out of the shower, I would see areas that needed to be washed a little bit more. So I spend about 5 to 10 minutes doing this. It really depends on how much care my hair needs. So I go through my scalp. After I'm done, I use a bottle with a nozzle and diluted shampoo just to give the product an opportunity to lather. While I go through my scalp with the product a second time, again, I'm really focusing on my scalp. And when you scrub, you want to make sure you're using the pads of your fingers. So I'm going around and working that product through. When I get in the shower, I will just rinse it off. I use a cotton cloth to dry my hair. I just go ahead and squeeze the water out of my hair. I stopped using towels because I noticed they were leaving lint in my hair. So as you can see my ends, I'm so excited that my ends are finally locking. Really what got this is clipping them. A close-up view of my scalp, that it's clean, that I'm going through with this oil on my scalp and the ends of my hair just to make sure that it's moisturized, and that is the end of the routine. When I first started my lock journey, I had trouble finding products that worked for my hair. Let's just say I had trouble finding products specifically for locks. There were a lot of products available for textured hair, for natural hair, for loose natural hair. However, we know that with locks, our hair has different needs. We need something that's going to clean and clarify our hair. We need moisture, but we don't need it to be overbearing to the point where it's causing buildup, and that buildup is hard to get rid of. So I experimented with different products with different ingredients. So with all of that being said, I will be launching a hair care line. It's called Faida. Faida basically means something that is beneficial. The goal behind this line is that it's something that will help you with your lock journey, help you grow your hair, help you maintain healthy hair. I'll be sharing more information about that in videos to come. I still be sharing my hair content, things I'm learning along the way, but these are the results of the products that I use in the wash routine that you've just seen. So this is my hair washed. As you can see, there's no buildup, scalp is clean, and hair is moisturized. As I've been working on this, I finally landed on 2 products, which I've just shared with you, the shampoo and the oil, which you saw me use in the wash routine. If you are interested in learning more about this and being in the know, I have a link below which you can click on. You'll get on the email list where you'll be the first to know about everything related to the launch. I've thought really hard about this and how I was going to present this to the channel. I really want to share my journey with the hope that somebody will be encouraged encouraged and motivated to start their own line. We all have different needs. Within the natural hair community, there's so much that hasn't been tapped into. I hope that seeing behind the scenes content and information that I'm learning will be encouraging and will motivate you to start whatever it is that you have been putting off. This is definitely something I should have started a long time ago, but I didn't. The content on the channel is going to be mixed with me sharing my natural hair journey, but also giving you information on how you can start your own hair care line, or you can start whatever it is that you would like to start. I'm learning as I go, but I'm hoping that as I document it, it'll be helpful to someone. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to stay connected to the hair care line, it's called Faida. I'm going to share the Instagram